Let's start with a wild idea. Imagine writing one sentence and having it turn into a full-blown viral TikTok campaign, a business strategy memo, or a best-selling blog post.
Right? It sounds like sci-fi, but it's real. Welcome to 2025, where AI prompts have basically become creative rocket fuel.
Totally, they're like magic spells for AI, simple commands that unlock ridiculous amounts of productivity and creativity. And the crazy part? Most people still don't realize how powerful they are.
Exactly. We're talking about transforming industries here. From marketing to operations, AI prompts are doing things that used to take whole teams of people and weeks of work in seconds.
I read that over 77% of businesses are already using prompt-based AI tools. That's not just a trend, that's a revolution.
And it's not just about saving time. It's about unlocking ideas you wouldn't have thought of otherwise. Like, hey AI, give me 5 cost-saving ideas that don't sacrifice quality. Boom, done.
Or create a TikTok script that's funny and shows off our brand's eco-friendly mission. That one prompt led to a $1 million sales spike for a beauty brand.
Wild. But let's break it down a bit. What is an AI prompt really?
At its core, it's just a piece of text, a command or question you give to an AI system. You don't need to know code. You just need to know what you want.
Right, like saying, generate 10 catchy subject lines for a product launch targeting Gen Z. That's it. And the output? Better than what many copywriters would come up with under pressure.
Because the AI is trained on billions of data points. It spots patterns we'd never notice. That includes what works, what flops, and even emerging trends.
And here's the fun part. People are reverse engineering virality, like using prompts to build Twitter threads with bold opinions and actionable insights. Boom. Instant thought leader.
Or that B2B company that grew its LinkedIn audience with just one prompt. Write a post thanking our 10K followers with community vibes. 20,000 likes later. They doubled their followers.
It's insane how fast and scalable this is. But also, there's controversy, right?
For sure. Some people argue that relying on prompts could kill creativity, that if a machine's doing the ideation, what's left for us?
But I'd argue it's like having a super smart creative partner. You still guide the vision. The AI just accelerates it.
Exactly. The best prompts still come from creative minds. And then there's the issue of bias. AIs can reflect the flaws in their training data.
Yeah, plus the lawsuits over intellectual property. Remember when Getty Images sued Stability AI for scraping their content?
That could reshape how prompts are used and what data they're trained on. It's a huge ethical frontier.
So for creators and businesses, the key is learning how to write good prompts. That's the real skill now.
Totally. Be specific, add context, and test variations. A vague prompt gets vague results.
And imagine where this goes next. Experts say by 2030, prompts will be so personalized, your AI will know what you want before you ask.
That's either amazing or terrifying, or both.
Either way, prompts are no longer just a tool. They're a new language for creativity, strategy, and success.
So next time you open an AI tool, don't just ask it for help, challenge it. Push the limits.
Because that one sentence, it might just be the start of your next big idea.